Another very popular data set, a small data set, but very popular data set in data science, specifically in clustering, uh, is a iris data set. It contains three different types of irises, okay, petal and sepal lengths, stored in a NumPy array. Okay, so you can see here what you can do with. Basically, you can do cluster analysis, plot everything on a scatter plot like this, and so on. I uploaded this just for a bit of variety into a table in Snowflake. You can have a look. You can have a preview here. Let's say. Okay, you can have a look at the definition. Let's select this specific. Yeah, if I say select everything from Iris, okay, and let's just run it. So just 150 rows. That's a small one, and you can see here you have the name of the species and then different numbers. Okay, if I download this one as a CSV, and then if I go back to ChatGPT-4 Plus, yeah, online, and upload, yeah, obviously I will upload this Iris CSV. I can ask this time not for data analysis, but for even more, for a data science experiment. I would say, can you do a cluster analysis on sepal length and width? Okay, so let's see what we get. Because just remember, that's a machine learning data science experiment, way more extended than the data analysis experiment that we've seen before. So look, it's already starting, and we get a lot of information. Analyzing once again. Yeah, let's see. Wow, you can see scikit-learn, the one that we've seen before. Yeah, when I started this presentation, is already included, and the k-means clustering, yeah, it's used here. So basically everything is built in, and ChatGPT is able to figure out the proper algorithm for this one. Sometimes complex algorithms, as you see here, because yeah, the elbow method to choose the optimal number of clusters. That these are well-known methods in data science. We'll now go deep into data science right here, but just so you know, this is not only for data analytics. This is for data science as well. And as you can see, I like to call it this way. These are generated analysis, generated data analysis. Wow. No, okay, so just as a reminder, this facility, this feature, generating analysis with graphs and charts and so on, for now, this is limited to ChatGPT Plus subscription or ChatGPT Enterprise. Okay, but soon enough, I think in just a few weeks, we'll see this with different other offerings.